Garlic tomato pan-seared chicken drumstick. Let's call it juicy garlic tomato chicken drumsticks. One pan recipe. Or let's put into good words, which is high protein pan-seared chicken in rich tomato sauce.
Mair Born Hungry is delicious. Mair Born Hungry is delicious. Mair Born Hungry.
My name is Mair. You're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. We are using 2.5 pounds of the chicken drumsticks without the skin. Very simple ingredients: fresh tomatoes, garlic, lemon, green chilies, salt, pepper, and of course we are using ghee for this recipe. I have made this recipe so many times and it came out so nice. So here you go. Let's do it together now. So I'm taking at least 3 tablespoons of the ghee in here. Oh, look at this clarified butter. Best part, our oil is hot. It took 5 minutes to get it at least 400 temperature. These are the drumsticks. Look at this, 2.5 pounds of them, skinless. Use clean skinless protein. That's what it is. Here you go. Let's land these guys right here. And straight away cover it. Let's take garlic cloves. This is garlic tomato based whole recipe. So be generous with the garlic and tomato. So at least 10 to 12 fresh cloves of garlic. Just rough dice it. All the garlic goes in here. Let's take half tablespoon of the salt right away. It goes in here. Here you go. So we have salt, we have ghee, we have garlic, and we have drumsticks in here. Now let's take the fresh tomatoes. So we'll take at least 4 of the medium-sized tomatoes. Tomatoes are ready to get into the pan. Initially 10 minutes. Fry the chicken on high flame. This is after 10 minutes of stir frying or pan searing. Look at this crust a little bit on it. That's what you want. Now it's the time. Let's take the tomatoes and just land it, slit them from the center and add it in here. For 10 minutes we will cover the pot with the lid so the tomatoes get tender and we can easily pull up the skin from top. Another 10 minutes, just cook it like this. It's been 10 minutes since we added the tomatoes. Let's open and see if we can split the skin from tomatoes. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Can we? Yeah, I think so, we can. So here you go. Peeling the skin out. I think some of them are done. Here you go. This one is done. Perfect. The second one, easy. Here you go. Here you go. And here you go. Easy. Peel. Yes, 10 minutes will do the tomato skin peel. Perfect. All done. Let's give it a mix. I just want to show you, pan-seared means this, and it has tomato, garlic, salt and ghee so far. So at this stage you don't have to cover it with the lid, just cook it like this. This is all fresh, natural recipe. Here you go. This is all the tomato skin. We took it out. Whoa. Okay. Let's trash that. Here you go. Let's take a lemon. and squeeze half of the lemon in here. Green chilies, at least couple of them. Goes in here. For the color pop, just add 2 more, just like this. To give it a make, we have 10 more minutes on the high flame now. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Wow. 10 more minutes on the high flame. Fry roast it. And this is the fresh tomato sauce. Let this all get dissolved.
Mair Born Hungry is delicious.
This is 35 minutes later since we started the process. Let's turn off the stove. Let this guy settle down. Let this whole delicious pan-seared in rich tomato and garlic drumsticks. So final touches. Take some cilantro, tiny bit, just the leaf, a little bit, and a pinch of black pepper on top. Just a 1/4 tablespoon.
Mair Born Hungry is delicious.
Here you go. It's completely done right here. Give me another 5-6 minutes. Let this whole dish settle down, It stops bubbling. We will do a taste test. And let me tell you this, what we are having with it, parathas, ready-made parathas. It's like a tortilla wrap on steroids, Been 6 to 7 minutes. It has been settled down. Delicious drumsticks in garlic tomato sauce. This is the paratha, and here you go. Let's grab these pan-seared drumsticks, put it on paratha, and this is the tomato and garlic. Goes right next to it. Here you go. All natural. Wow. Ooh. It has the meat in there. Yeah. Look at this. Hold. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye bye for now.